If you've ever tried cooking outdoors only to end up with unevenly cooked burgers, cold spots on the griddle, or wind stealing your heat, you know how frustrating portable grills can be. The good news is that not every compact griddle has those problems. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Halo Elite1B Outdoor Griddle to see if it really delivers premium outdoor cooking performance. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Halo Elite1B is designed for campers, tailgaters, RV travelers, backyard cooks, and anyone who wants the flexibility of a portable propane griddle without sacrificing cooking quality. Instead of trying to be just another compact, flat-top grill, Halo focuses on solving some of the biggest complaints outdoor cooks have, including uneven heating and poor performance on windy days. On paper, it certainly sounds promising, but let's see how it performs in real-world use. Right away, the build quality stands out. The griddle has a sturdy, premium feel that inspires confidence from the moment you lift the lid. Its compact footprint makes it easy to transport without feeling flimsy, while the durable cooking surface looks built to handle frequent outdoor use. The hinged lid isn't simply there for storage or transportation. It actually becomes part of the cooking experience by helping trap heat when needed. Overall, the design feels well thought out, combining portability with features that make cooking more convenient, whether you're at a campsite or in your backyard. One feature that immediately makes a difference is the spacious 284 square inch cooking surface. It's large enough to prepare breakfast for a small family, grill burgers for friends, or cook multiple ingredients at once without constantly rotating food. The built-in bubble level is another thoughtful addition, especially when cooking on uneven ground at campsites or tailgates. It may seem like a small detail, but having a level cooking surface helps grease drain properly and keeps food cooking evenly. Performance is where the Halo Elite1B really begins to separate itself from many portable competitors. The heating system is designed to minimize cold spots across the cooking surface, allowing food to cook consistently from edge to edge. Whether you're making pancakes, smash burgers, bacon, vegetables, or grilled sandwiches, the even heat distribution means less time moving food around trying to find the hottest section of the griddle. The wind-resistant inset griddle plate is another standout feature. Anyone who has cooked outdoors knows how quickly a strong breeze can rob heat from a traditional flat-top grill. Halo's recessed cooking surface helps shield the flame, allowing the griddle to maintain more stable cooking temperatures even when conditions aren't perfect. That translates into better searing, more consistent cooking, and less frustration during outdoor meals. Using the griddle is refreshingly simple. It works with both compact 1-pound propane cylinders for maximum portability and standard 20-pound propane tanks when you're cooking at home. The cooking controls are straightforward, and cleanup is relatively easy once the griddle cools down. The smooth flat top surface wipes clean with standard griddle maintenance, making it practical for frequent use throughout camping season or weekend cookouts. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the cooking surface is generous for a portable unit, larger families regularly cooking for 6 or more people may eventually want a full-size backyard griddle. The premium construction also places it at a higher price point than many budget portable models. However, much of that extra cost goes toward better heat control, stronger construction, and features that genuinely improve the cooking experience rather than simply adding gimmicks. Compared with similarly priced portable griddles from Blackstone or Camp Chef, the Halo Elite1B distinguishes itself with its wind-resistant cooking design, excellent heat consistency, versatile hinged lid, and thoughtful portability features. Rather than focusing only on maximum burner output, it prioritizes real cooking performance, which is ultimately what matters most when preparing meals outdoors. If you're thinking about upgrading your outdoor cooking setup, be sure to check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if this review helped you make your decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews, outdoor cooking gear, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.